Hello, I'm Joe and I am a teacher, and I'm going to show you how to make a squishy Halloween bag of goblin guts using Elmer's slime starter pack from YPO. To make the bags, you'll need Elmer's slime starter pack, a container to mix the slime in, large wiggly eyes, Halloween and spider sequin shapes, food colouring, and a food bag. Take your slime container and empty the contents of Elmer's clear glue. Add the food colouring and glitter. Empty the whole bottle of Elmer's magical liquid a little at a time, mixing in between. Continue to stir until it is fully mixed and the slime starts to form. And knead the slime until you get the right consistency. At this point, the children can add their own accessories from the ingredients list to make the goblin guts even more revolting. Now put the slime inside a food bag, push the air out and secure the top. Elmer's slime starter pack is so simple to use and it's a lot of fun for sensory play.